Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hey guys, JanscrazyLife. So, I know that you guys are waiting on me to do these videos and I didn't go live. I'm dealing with like flu in the house and the kids are sick and I think I'm getting sick and just a lot, but here we are. So this beautiful book, and it was wrapped in this beautiful tissue paper, which I will try my best to rewrap it, this beautiful ribbon, and this is DivaZ Russell. I will have her channel linked above and below. Amazing crafter. She sent me this beautiful card, and I'm going to save this and use this in my December daily because I love that. I love this. I love that it's flat because it'll work in it. So if anyone wanted to send me Christmas cards, like flat, amazing image, we'll totally use them. It says, thank you for another amazing swap. It was challenging but really fun. God bless you, sweetie, for all that you do. Your crafty friend. It says Christmas Altered Book Swap 2008. May this special season be filled with many. And see, this part that she wrote me will go in my actual journal. Alright, I'm so excited about this. So she used the Fa La La collection. And look at this though. Look at these though. So beautiful flowers. Fa La La. And then she glossy accented, so it's so cute. But down here though, it's like glass and there's glitter that she did. I mean, it's so good. And then like, look at the bow, look at the fabric. And you know what's funny, Diva? You didn't have to use fabric, but I know that you were doing it to try to please the group. And she has this beautiful tassel. I love it. Alright, let's get into it. Lace and trim. Let me show y'all this. So gorgeous. I'm probably going to zoom out because it's a big book. Alright, we're going to open it up. And then, it's so pretty. So, it has wishing you joy. And then look at all this she put in here to journal. Look at this Santa, and it's like a piece of paper. Oh, I love that. So cute. And then there is a tuck pocket down here, and she made this beautiful, oh my gosh, it's the #1 for the days. Oh, look at this little card. I'm obsessed with Christmas cards, like old school, like from the store. Oh, so cute. Alright. If y'all hear that, that's the TV, but the TV's keeping Elijah asleep, so we're good. Alright, so there's a belly band here, and in this belly band, she's got all kinds of good stuff. There is this little envelope that I want to sneak and hide and keep, but it has a little envelope, and I don't know, should we open it? I'm the worst at putting it to go back, but we're going to open it. There is stuff in it. Jackpot. So there's like a little book. Oh, it's a piece of paper. Is this your... Oh, look, she put a little piece of paper so you can write. I love that. So thoughtful. Alright, so then, gave me an idea, my friend. Okay, let me put this back on here. Otherwise, I'll forget later. I know you're like, can you do this in your own time? No, I really can't, because I won't remember. Then y'all will get this journal and be like, she didn't even do it. Alright, look at this. She made this little book. So adorable. Alright, let's put that back in the belly band. And there's pages so you can journal or put whatever. So, look, here's day 3. So it's day 2 there. So thoughtful. Here's day 3. Love that. Day 4 with a tag. This belly band is so thoughtful. I love all the details and the thought process behind everything because I think sometimes I don't always remember. Alright, hold on. Day 4 is a double page because here's day 5. Just want to make sure. Oh, look at... But look at this though. Look at this tiny little book. Who doesn't love tiny little things? Alright. So this flips up. So cute. Look at these stickers. That TV is so loud. It's in the other room, but I feel like if I turn it down, he will wake up. So this is day 6, and look how pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Season's greetings. That's pretty. Is that a stamp? I love this, like a list. And then she has it under this doily, and there is a paper clip that she made with the bell, which is adorable. And then there is places to journal. Love Christmas lights. I love that. Alright. And then there's this page that... Did you make a paper clip? Oh my gosh. It's a paper clip. Hold on. And I wanted to look at the top. Y'all be like, this woman, and looking at the top to see. I don't want to miss anything, and I'm really bad about that. Okay, we're good. So then it's day 7, and look how beautiful. No peeking. And then look, I love the trim. It's the same fabric as the outside. There's day 8. And of course she has them where they move, so you can move them to whatever days or pages. Super smart. Love this trim on it. I know that took a minute because you had to use glue. That took work. Here's day 9. So cute. And then day 10. Love these lights. Did you draw those? So cute, this tuck spot. And then there is day 11. So stinking cute. Oh, did it come out of here? I mean, how? I don't think it did. The paper is a little different, but that would be adorable. Love that. Hold on, let me stick that back in. Day 12. Love that. So cute with these tags. Alright. So we have this page, and there's, it's a little place to journal. This beautiful bow and the trim on the side. Hold on. I'm like all thumbs right now. Alright. So then there is a side pocket, day 13. So cute. Look at this trim here. The trim here. So much work went into all this. Day 14 with this belly band that is fussy cut it out. So much work. The washi tape. I mean, day 15. Alright, let me get this back in. I mean, look guys, she like fussy cut it out, the flowers from the paper to make a tuck spot. Like, how adorable. Day 16 has a Christmas card. So cute. So let me stick this back. Hold on, that'll be easier. Day 17. Look at these tags. And it's just a little bitty journaling spot. Oh, so cute. Okay. Day 18 is here, and there's an envelope, beautiful white envelope for probably this card, which is adorable. It says happy holidays. Happy holidays. And day 19, look at this beautiful page with this beautiful trim. Love this. Look at this though. Tuck spot with places to journal. Not a creature restoring, not even a llama. Alright, day 20 is, look at these beautiful stickers. So pretty. Look at Santa on this drawing card in day 20. Alright, let me tuck that part in. Day 21. And there's places to journal. Look at this. So pretty how she did her belly bands. And day... Oh my gosh, look. She made all the tuck spots go up. Love that. I can't wait to get to the bookmark because it's hanging out for me. Here's day 20. Look at behind the llama. So cute. That paper had a bunch of tags, right? 23, and there's a journaling card, and she's got a paper clip holding it. I love this ribbon or trim or fabric. Oh, that's on the paper clip. How adorable. And then there's this paper. Look at this paper though. I mean, so cute. Ugly sweater party. So cute. And then season's greeting. And what's good is like she has it where you can move it. So say like on the 10th you go to an ugly sweater party, you can move all that. So that's super creative. Look at this. Look at this embossed folder with the trim. And then, oh my gosh, is this a bag? So look, she cut the bag at both ends. And there's goodies. And oh my god, that tag is beautiful. And then another one of those amazing envelopes is in here. Hold on, I don't want to rip anything. Might be the way I'm pulling it. Alright, I'm not going to mess with it. I'm going to leave that. But there's an envelope with stuff in it. There is trim. Look at these embossing. I need to use my embossing more. But these are gorgeous. And then look at the trim all the way around it. And then, look, so cute. And look at this one. Wow, you put so much more. There's so many pages in here too. There's way more than needs to be. Look at this one, and look at the snowflake trim all the way around it. This belly band. So cute. Now look at this, guys. She took a bookmark, put it in the book, and then took a charm, glued it on both sides, so no matter how you flip it, it has a charm on there and it's weighted. So creative. Look at this tag. No peeking. Beautiful embossing folder. Love this. It's a glassine bag with the Christmas lights. She must have drawn those. I'm convinced. There's journaling cards in here. It says, this llama doesn't want your holiday drama. That's cute. Flips, and there's a pocket back here. Beautiful trim. She has way more pages than you need. Look at that Santa hat though. I'm gonna swipe it and put it to the side. Alright, day 24, and then she's got Velcro and this little pocket with journaling and a pocket behind it. Beautiful trim. Then there is this page, and look how cute this is with the tuck spots. Oh, their little present comes out. So, oh, look how pretty this is. So cute. And then there is this. Look how cute this is. So it's a pocket here, and then you can journal on the inside. That is creative. I'm totally still in that. Here is Christmas Day, day 25th. It's only a morning person. I'm only a morning person on December 25th. We were talking about that, me and the girls. Love the trim. I'm still not, believe it or not, because I'm exhausted because I've been up all night doing stuff. One day though, one day. So cute. Oh my gosh, look how pretty this page is with all the trim and the banner that moves. And this little envelope with a pocket behind. And then the next page, and there's stickers in here. But look how beautiful this is. It's like plastic snowflake, and I love the button. Oh my gosh, it's a tuck spot. Look at this beautiful ornament. I hope my camera picks up how pretty this is. How creative and how beautiful is that? Look at this little bitty trim that's all the way around the page. Wow. And then there is this page that has a pocket and a top tuck spot. And then this beautiful paper with this gold. Everything like goes together on both sides. And there's a tuck spot back here. And some papers. And this is tucked in. So cute. There's some washi tape and a journaling card. Love this. And then look at this. I wonder, I don't want to. Oh, it's a little pocket. Hold on, guys. I got to get something to drink. I hope I don't sound as bad as I feel though. Okay. So this is beautiful. This paper feels like almost like rice paper, which makes it super adorable. There is a Santa up here, and there's these little papers that are tucked in. How cute are them? And this beautiful place to journal. And then there is this page. Look how pretty this is. Love that. Love these little tags that she put in every one. So much work. Look at the trim. Let it snow. Oh, and then when you flip it, look at this little thing on his hat. Oh, and there's this little bag. See, I need to be more creative. Look at all these goodies she put in here. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Look, you made a whole different pocket letter, but that's like a lot of work, right? Look at this page. And then, oh, look at these belly bands. This paper that you got, these paper, they're amazing. Look at the trim, all the work. There is a envelope here that has some places to journal. Hold on. I'm trying not to sneeze. I don't want to sneeze on the book. And then I'll have to pause it and wash my hands and all the crap. Alright, we're good. Alright, so there is a pull-out here. And look how cute. She got a journaling card. And on this side is the tag. Look at this trim on here. Look at this though. The doors. It's a Christmas card. And then she got a place for you to journal. Wow. Look how pretty this is. That is a gorgeous. And then she's got so much goodies in here. She was so generous. Look at all this. And then I am going to write her name on it. Don't worry, guys. Don't feel bad when I say that because I forgot to. So, like, I'll just put it on there. And what I did with the last one is I think I just wrote... I took a little piece of paper I had and then wrote on there. Not a big deal. Diva, this was amazing. Whoever gets this is going to be super lucky and super blessed. You did an amazing job. And I enjoy it. I enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. And don't forget to go check out her channel. She's an amazing crafter. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.